Hi, Bruce from Safari here, and what we're going to show you today is this is our treasure chest that we've got here, and none other than Johnny Depp here, of Pirates of the Caribbean fame, otherwise known as Andrew, is going to show us what we're doing here. Andrew, how are you today?
Morning, yeah, well, Bruce, morning, guys. What we've got the treasure chest going on. So we obviously do other setups, but this is something that's so compact, a lot of attention to detail, whereby we're running 800 amp of lithium positioned within the bottom of the base of the box. We've got a 5,000 watt Victron inverter charger. We've got Scotty going in here. We've got the turbo, we've got the MPPT, two 250 amp solar blankets going on in this, all in the back of a Silverado. Once this lid is closed, there'll be nothing seen other than these coming out of the side.
So grey on the outside,
Yep.
and an absolute treasure in the inside. Thank
Okay.
you, Johnny. How good's that?
Thanks.